Good morning. Unit 1, Group Number 57, Intellectual Property. Student name, Jamie Yurani Castro. Tutor name, Juan Carlos Amezquita. Date, Wednesday, date, 16/2022. The intellectual property registration obstacle choose what lack of information and benefits. The causes that are complete in Colombian company for the obstacle to arise are lack of commitment from the Superintendence of Industry and Commerce to deliver timely information. The company is not constantly managing the information throughout of the Superintendence of Industry and Commerce. The information given to company is unclear. Information about benefit is late. Regarding the consequence generated in company by the obstacle, the following are detailed. Difficult managing knowledge, unrestricted intellectual property, decrease in business opportunity, death of the intellectual property without registration. On the other hand, two recommendations are shared so that the company can avoid the obstacle. First, choose a person from the organization who is permanent on the information published by the Superintendence of Industry and Commerce on the benefits received with the registration of intellectual property and managed those that correspond to the intellectual property managed by the company. Second, if the information is not clear, check with of the company that have received these benefits or as an advisor of the corresponding intellectual property registered office and the cash the check. Thank you.